Hello, in this video we will discuss about the metastasis, the stage 4 of cancer cells. So let's begin to understand. In the previous video we have had discussed about the stage 3 and other process, the function and the process of the metastasis. But in this video we will concentrate to the stage 4. So this is the cell of the person contain a chromosome, and this chromosome contain here is the DNA which that it contain promoter and the RAS and mice gene. For example, it is oncogene activation will lead to uncontrolled promoter will inhibit due to the methylation. The epigenetic will lead to uncontrolled cyclin CDK activation rather than as usual. So in this way, the RAS and mice gene also involved for the synthesis of protein and preparation for cell division uncontrollability will occur. So the our expression, remember. So in this way, this cell will be stage 0. Stage 0 is nothing but it will be preparation to damage the DNA. The break of the DNA will not repair due to the rapid cell division and abruptly. And in this way, the stage 0 mean will progress due to the DNA break, DNA damage, and the mismatch or other process due to the factors affecting to damage the DNA will lead to stage 1. And the transformed expansion growth and diversification will occur will lead to third stage. And the third stage is basically the transformed cell. This transformed cell will different as compared to the original cell, as well as it will the size will be shrink due to the rapid cell division. Let's begin to understand. This is the basement membrane of the blood circulatory system, and this is the periphery of the blood circulatory system where the somatic cell are present. So remember, for example, there is a different type of cancer involving. So remember. So we are just understanding about the metastasis. So remember, this is the basement membrane and the proliferation of the cell and differentiation of the cell will occur in this way. The metastatic subclone will be produced rapidly, will lead to inflammation also occur, and the angiogenesis will also. On the other hand, the angiogenesis is very important for the providing of the nutrition to the subclone, the tumor where are present. So in this way, here is the invasion will occur of these metastatic subclone. This metastatic subclone will enter into the blood circulatory system through endothelial and dysfunction. The endothelial inflammatory cytokine will lead to permeability increase and the interact with lymphocytes. So in this way, the interaction with lymphocyte, the host lymphocytes. Anyhow, the intravasation will occur. This intravasation mean into the blood circulatory system. Anyhow, the tumor cell embolus formation due to the platelets clotting formation. These platelets will combine together with the subclone will in the form of metastasis stage 4 due to the rapidly movement of the cell throughout the circulatory system, and where they want to reside will grow more tumor. So throughout the body, the diversification and the produce more subclone, and in this way that damage the tissue and tumor formation in the several times. So as the tumor cell embolus formation will lead to adhesion to a basement membrane due to the platelets. In this way, the thrombosis will occur. The blood clot will inhibit the blood circulatory system, will lead to stroke, heart attack, a lot of things. So on the other hand, further tumor formation will occur due to the extravasation. Extravasation means the periphery of the blood circulatory system. The clotting, the metastatic tumor formation will occur in this manner. Anyhow, the metastasis deposits. This metastasis deposit will occur, will lead to angiogenesis, plus growth, the vascular endothelial growth factor. In this way, the angiogenesis plus growth, vascular endothelial growth factor, which that is involving and lead to metastatic tumor formation in the another place of the body, where the tumor form will be transformed in the form of due to the dispersion of the cell in the blood circulatory system, and this is the metastasis stage 4 will be uncurable. So the step of metastasis in summary we will discuss. First is the tumor must grow to infiltrate surrounding connective tissue. After this breakthrough basement membrane, as shown in the diagram, so after this, the overcome inhibitor substances to the enzyme it produces to break down the connective tissue, protect. So the protection of the connective tissue will be break, and in this way, after the breaking of the connective tissue, attached to endothelium and enter the lymphatic blood vascular channels. So attach to endothelium and enter the lymphatic blood vascular channels, evade the immune cell in blood and lymph node. In this way, evade the immune cell in blood and lymph node, which that will lead to lodge the capillaries at destination. After the lodge in capillaries as destination, as well as the clonal expansion and growth and diversification and angiogenesis will lead to adhesion to and invasion of basement membrane, passage through extracellular matrix, which that will lead to intravasation. Anyhow, the lodge in capillaries at destination will lead to attached to and travel through endothelium. After this, attached to and travel through endothelium will lead to proliferate and produce tumor again. In this way, the expansion of the metastasis stage 4 will occur, will lead to cancer throughout the body, will damage the body. So, in this manner, you can understand this is the stage 4 of the cancer is known as the metastasis. So let's begin to understand the theories explaining trends in metastasis. Number one is seed and soil theory, and number two is the routes of blood supply theory. Both basically partially correct. What is this? Let's begin to understand in broad terms. The tumor spreads through lymphatics. So in this way, in broad terms, if we will discuss, the tumor spreads through lymphatic will produce metastasis in the anatomically related lymph nodes, which spread through the blood is influenced more by seed and soil. So consideration, although anatomy is still of some importance. So remember is the dispersion of the like a seed which that grow again to form tumor, like a plant is a like a tumor will produce again produce plant. So I hope you make sense about this is the metastasis stage 4 cancer cell. So I hope you make sense. If you like video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share, and as well as give the comment below to understanding better if you have any misunderstanding. And on the other hand, please share this channel to others for grow more community of biological sciences. And basically, this video was about metastasis stage 4 cancer cell. So thanks for watching. Bye.